Hello everyone, welcome back to my 12 days of Christmas tree. Today is day number 6. So let's get going. Let me share with you how I made this beautiful Christmas tree for the beach.
Uli designs, unique expressions.
The first thing I'm doing here is cutting on the vinyl using my Cricut machine. I'm cutting a design that's gonna go on the star on top of the tree. And it's gonna say Merry Christmas with a seashell.
On the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and
Now it's time to get rid of all the negative space to then use the transfer tape and add it to the star that's going on top of the tree. And now, time to decorate the tree. I got this tree at Five Below. It's a local store that sells items that are $5 or below. And all these beach ornaments, I got them at Amazon. I am just gluing them using hot glue. The good thing about this tree is that you can disassemble it like this. You slide off one part and then you can store it flat. Now it's up to you if you want to decorate it while it's flat. What I want to keep in mind is that I don't want to repeat the same motif close to each other, so I am just making sure that I spread them around.
Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. We're gonna dance.
And for the start, I just slide it in without any problem. I think it came out so adorable. What do you think? I love it.
Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas. And don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Until next time. Goodbye.